Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your presentation background on EasyWorship. So after installing EasyWorship, you're going to be having this dark transparent background as your presentation background as default. But if you'd like to change it, I'm going to be showing you how to do that in this video. So firstly, to do this, you just have to go to the theme option. Then when you're in the themes option, then you choose your selected background, or if you'd like to use one from your file explorer, you can just import it through this plus option. So once you pick your background of choice, then you right click on it and set as default. So once you right click on it and set as default, no matter whatever you go to, it's not going to change. That's going to be your new background. And if you also like to do that for scriptures also, once you come to the scripture option, pick a scripture, then go to theme and pick what you would like to use. So once you've picked it, then right click set as default. So if you click on it back, you'll see it's going to be there. So as you can see now, it has been set as the default one. So let's try going to change it. As you can see, so that's just how you can easily do this, guys. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys.